Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, starting for the overview bullish and bearish scenarios. For TAO we have of course an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a finishing wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario you would like to see 3 corrective waves. In this case we got of course WXY again, finishing wave B or a wave 2. Potentially of course W in our short-term bearish. I'm gonna explain after this 3 waves. Toward the downside, you would like to see continuation toward the upside, meaning impulse. And this is exactly almost what we got. A wave 1 potentially, and moving here as a wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards the upside. Finishing with this impulse, wave C or a wave 3, meaning wave 3, you still look for a 4 and a 5, potentially even for higher prices. TAO can reach the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, as a zigzag, reaching the 4,265. However, are we ready for this or not yet? Let's see the short bearish scenario where you have potentially an extended short-term bearish as a W, X, and a Y, right? So this W, X, and a Y might unfold, of course, in several patterns, right? Because it's a W, X, Y, we have 3 ways down, potentially 3 ways up here, and ABC potentially as an expanding flat, and then you would like to see of course move towards the upside. However, if we analyze this move here, did we finish? Well, absolutely not. Why? Because we're gonna check of course on the 4-hour chart here. On the 4-hour chart you can still see of course a sideways correction here exactly for this correction. And as we said, if the price takes the triangle invalidation 268, and which it did not, meaning it has extended this triangle somehow like that. And this is your wave E, wave C, wave A, B, C, D, E. We're moving toward the downside, guys. How are we moving toward the downside? Now, how to read all of this? Definitely we have problematic here issue with this leg, as the same for every single coin right now. In this bearish market, we have of course 3 waves down, correction for X potentially, and you have a wave Y toward the downside. Your wave Y should be 3 waves zigzag for lower. Very simple. Well, yeah, I mean, with TAO, it is easier a little bit to figure it out. I mean, this, of course, definitely it is a 3 waves here. I'm gonna move micro, by the way, inside this wave. As you can see, we have 3 waves toward the downside here. This is not an impulse. Why? Because, yeah, just a single wave inside it has invalidated. Look at this one. Because if we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, well, what do we do with this? Yeah, so incredible. In case that we finish therefore a wave, let's say we finish 4, 5, 4, 5 here, therefore you have to consider a wave A, and then of course B and a C. Your wave C is 3 wave, meaning again W, X, and a Y. Incredible, crazy, right? Now we get, of course, is this corrective triangle. It is your X, and of course we're moving towards the downside in W, X, and a Y. Again, potentially for TAO to hit the perfect blue box. By the way, we have already our scenarios here, as you can see. And we said if we hit the invalidation of the triangle, therefore, of course, we think to move for higher, but this did not happen. So everything works perfectly as expected. And if we took the triangle here, anyway, we were expecting an ABC and to continue toward the downside, but actually it was enough for the triangle to push the price, of course, for lower. Yeah, so here we go. We're moving for lower from here, guys. And this scenario, as you can see in the arrow here on the bigger view, let's see the overview a little bit. We are expecting it with this arrow anyway to hit the 1-to-1 fib level here with the common targets for this blue boxes here. This 1-to-1 fib level, by the way, is taken from your main correction, meaning if you have here a W, X, and a Y, or a flat 3 ways down, 3 ways up, and you're looking for a wave C toward the downside, your regular flat 1-to-1 fib level 1.05 might be between 150 162. 150 would be, of course, a very psychological number. Plus, look at how it's gonna finish perfectly this zigzag. Yeah, so very potential, guys. Yeah, very potential to move with this arrow as a bear market here, which is one of our possibility already. Now, of course, that is even a bigger short market, which it can be, of course, extending to the longer one here that we can see, of course, this one. Yeah, what is it? In a bigger view, of course, we need a bigger view to get this one. You are looking for a very deep correction, of course, for a wave 2. And this is gonna be like A, B, and a C. Your wave C might extend, or WXYXZ might potentially, of course, but a very far possibility right now for a wave 2, guys. Meaning all this wave 2 and wave B will shift to this area, yeah, and then moving again for higher for the new bull run, right? So this is what are the possibilities. But my possibility highest right now is from there, from this 1-to-1 fib level 1.05, and finishing the even shifting the wave B and the wave 2 as well. Yeah, so potentially as well. Yeah, so these are the scenarios for TAO. Basically, we're still looking for lower. 150 is a potential target psychologically as well. Besides the fibs, besides the Elliott wave, everything looks that it's pointing at that price. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.